Hey guys, and welcome back to the Tutorial Millennial channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can interact with other accounts on the comment section of a video and Snack Video. So click the comment section over here and you can add a comment like looks delicious. You can even add these emojis, I guess. You can even add a GIF. Wow, like that. And I think you can even add like a picture, but I'm just going to do that and press send. You can even like other people's comments over here and reply to like their comments too. But that is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!